In this video, we're going to go over how to edit, add, or delete your services and why they matter on your Google Business Profile page. We're going to be doing this from a laptop, and this is also how to do it from a desktop. The mobile tutorial will be in the description. So first off, open up a tab, make sure you're on Google. Search your business's name. And if you're logged into the correct email, you're going to see your business on Google. If not, up in the right-hand corner, you can either log in or select the correct email. Very simple. It's just right here, edit services. We're going to select that. So these services give Google a little bit more information about what you do. And so they have your primary category. These services are broken down by primary category. This business has two categories. It has the primary category as a welder. It has a secondary category as a metal fabricator. In another video, we'll go over how to choose the correct category for your business. Under each category is a bunch of services that you can add. Now, Google's going to recommend a bunch of services according to that category. So if I go down here and I click add more services, Google's recommending these right here. Now, if I don't see the one that I want, I can add a custom service, and you can type in whatever service that you want right there. Additionally, I can go right here and I can delete this service. And also, if you notice, you can add a description to the service or a price. And that's actually kind of a new feature. And that's how you edit, add, or delete services from your Google Business Profile. For the mobile, how to do it on your phone, that link will be in the description or on this page. Stay tuned for your next Google Business Profile tip.